Hi and welcome to trial store creation video of thecommercecafe.com. In this video, I'll take you through various steps that will go into creating a store at thecommercecafe.com. Let us begin by visiting thecommercecafe.com. As a first step, you need to enter your store name, your name, your email ID and mobile number. Once you complete this step, you will receive an email to the email address you have given. You need to copy and paste the URL you have received in the email. You will arrive to this page. You'll be presented with a small form which is already pre-filled. All you need to do is simply click on Activate My Store button. It's as simple as that. Once you complete this step, you will receive an email containing your site details like site link, username, password for accessing your store. Your site is divided into two sections, one administrator and another for front-end customer. Now let us go through the various options available under administrator. Using these settings, the admin can handle all the front-end store activities. Firstly, settings. In currency, here you can add any country currency which you want to sell for. Country. Here you can add countries where you want to sell your products, as you can see below. State. You can add your desired logistic agencies at different states. User. Here you can add multiple users to admin panel. Payment. Here you can add online payment gateways. You can also add credentials to the payment gateway. Shipping. You can add shipment rate, countries and states. Vendors. If you are associated with more than one vendor, you can add the vendor details here. Email templates. Instantly you can email customer through the Commerce Cafe, like email templates such as order tracking, forgot password, order shipped email, etc. VAT. Here you can add multiple VAT percentage. Search keywords. Here you can add your own desired keywords which you want to highlight in user reviews and also in comment. Build to order type. Here you can provide the type name. Invoice settings. You can add your desired details to your invoice template. Inventory. Firstly, brands. The Commerce Cafe allows you to add brand name and logo to your store. Category. The Commerce Cafe allows you to create your own category. Like if you take an example of an apparel store, the categories are men, women and kids. just hit add. You could see the men category is being added. Manage product. Here you can add the desired product to your store, and also provision is provided for bulk import. Groups or pricing. Here you can create groups and add attribute wise pricing. As you could see here, there is an attribute wise pricing. Edit product. You can edit the product details and also delete the product. If you hit duplicate, you can create a duplicate copy of the same product. Active or block for the same. Edit products. You can edit all the details. You can have cross-selling. You can add all suitable related products and save. Purchase order. The Commerce Cafe allows you to manage purchase orders like vendor list, which is assigned to the purchase order notes. Intake. This helps you to intake the purchase order to the number of quantity you need. Import product. It provides the pre-built structure to category, subcategory with a product. Store, manage. Warehouse, POS creation, take POS, intake. Here you can manage your store creation by using warehouses. If you have a POS multiple machine, you can integrate it. You can assign a particular user to a particular POS machine which is created. Bill. If you get a phone order, here you can generate the manual bill for that phone order customer. Stock transfer between warehouses. Here you can manage the stock transfer between your different warehouses. Marketing. You can add multiple offers to the products like deal of the day, hot offers, coupons if you want to provide the combo offers, newsletters. You can assign newsletters to your renowned customers. Manage SMS is also you can use for renowned customers. SEO, search engine optimization. Here you can add title, mega tag, description and keywords. Social media. Here you can go for digital marketing like Facebook marketing, Twitter, blog, LinkedIn, etc. Bulk order discount. You can promote discounts on bulk purchases. Design. Here you can design the themes, logo, footer. Also you can manage blogs. You can maintain your domain. wherein you can alter your store front end. You could see categories, themes, footer, sign up, payment, shipping, and captcha. Orders. Take phone orders. You can create account for new customers and collect all the database here. Later, you can search the particular customer with respect to his contact number and generate an order for him. Process order. In this, you can get the orders placed in your store, and by verifying those orders, you can update the status of those products like shipped, whether it's delivered or it's been cancelled. Customers. You can block a particular IP address, you can block reviews of a particular customer, also you can block the block comments. Reports. Here you can get various reports like purchase order, intake order, new orders, shipped orders, delivered or returned, etc.